welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bilqeesah Sadeeq. If you're new here, welcome. Well, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Yeah, and while you're there, don't forget to hit the notification button also. And we're going to wait for you while you do that. I'm pretty sure you're done now. So let's go ahead and start.
Shut up and sit down.
Alright guys, so for the vanilla frosting, you're going to need sugar, powdered sugar actually, butter, this is softened, and whipped cream. I like putting whipped cream in mine for some reason. It gives it this fluffy feeling, paste actually. And then you're going to need vanilla and milk, that's all. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by mixing, creaming your butter. Now we're going to add in the sugar. Half teaspoon of vanilla.
Shut up and sit down.
Just a pinch of salt. And whip. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of milk. So now you're going to just go ahead and add in your whipped cream. I'm going to go ahead and add in some milk.
Shut up and sit down.
So that's it. This is your butter frosting. Now we're going to pipe it on top of the cake. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it like I did. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below, tell me what you think about it, and I'll get back to you all. If you have a video you want me to film, just let me know, you know? Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye!
Shut up and sit down.